Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I want to show you the new feature from Instagram which they have released in the new update called Instagram Guides. And in addition to that, I want to show you how to create one. So this is a new section within your profile tab. If you haven't created a guide, you won't see this section in your profile tab, but if you have, you'll see it. Instagram Guides has been around but only limited to certain big brands or users. Now they've made it available to everyone and anyone can create Instagram guides. As always, make sure your app is updated to the latest version from the App Store, or if you're on the Android, then it's the Play Store. If you still don't have access to it, don't worry, just wait a few more days as Instagram is rolling it out to everyone. So what is Instagram Guides? Instagram Guide is a way for users to share recommendations, tips, tutorials and other content in a long form post. So it can consist of posts not only from your gallery but from other creators as well. So using this guide feature, you can also promote your product or services or show behind the scene clips for your work. There are endless ideas on how to use Instagram Guides. Now let me show you how to create an Instagram guide so you have a good understanding of how it works. First, go into your Instagram profile tab and then tap on the plus sign at the top. Here you'll see the new option to create a guide. Tap on it. Now Instagram will give you three different types of guides you can create. There is places, products and post. So first let's look at places. So this will give you access to search for places. So for example, I'll search for Stonehenge and then tap on the first link. This will show me all the posts about Stonehenge. I can select a maximum of 5 photos or videos and create a travel guide on Stonehenge. I'll go ahead and do that, and then once I'm done, I'll press next at the top. Now Instagram will take all those posts and create one long form post. You will have the cover photo, and then down below you'll have all the photos you have selected and you can scroll through them in one post. You can add a title to your guide. You can change the cover photo to something else. It'll let you choose from your post, from your saved post, or from the previous photos you have selected. You can even add more description and details about the guide. Now once you're done, press next, and this will allow you to preview, share, or save as draft. Once you press preview, this will show how your followers will see the guide. If you press share, it will be shared to your guide section in your profile. Let's go ahead and press share. Now as you can see, this is placed in my guide section within my profile tab. So that is how to create a simple places guide. Now I want to show you how to create a product guide. Tap on the plus sign again and then tap on guides. Next, tap on products. Now let's do a search on a specific brand or item. So in this example, I'll choose Edeltron as they make fantastic piece of camera equipment. By the way, this video is not sponsored by them, but if they want to, then they're most welcome. I'll choose the slider which they're selling, and now I'll choose photos which are related to that slider. Choose your photos from the first tab, or you can also go into your post and select photos from there. Again, the limit is 5 photos or videos. If that brand has a shop, then you can also select photos from there. Once you're done, press next. Similar to the places guide, you can add a title to the product guide, change the cover photo, and add more details to your guide. At the bottom of the guide, you'll also see a link to the product shop area. So if your viewers are interested, then they can buy it from here. Once you're done, then go ahead and press next and share it to your guide section. Now let's look at posting a post guide. So the process is similar to the last two. Tap on plus sign on your profile tab and then tap on guides. Then tap on post. So this option is quite different from the other two as it lets you combine all your posts into one single long post. So you're basically promoting all your Instagram posts in one post. So as an example, if I want to show my viewers my different crane setup, which I've done in the past, I can select all my crane posts and create one single long post. There is no limit to it, so you can choose as many as you want. I can also select from my saved post, so this will give you access to other people's posts. Once you're done, press next, and this will now create a long post about your post. The way it creates is quite different to places and products, as it lets you write a title for each of the posts, so it gives you more freedom to customize it. So this allows me to show different parts of my crane or have a show reel so people can see my work on it. Same thing again, you can change the title and the cover photo. Make sure all your posts have a title, or else Instagram won't let you publish it. Now once you're done, press next and share it to your guide section. Now within your guide section, you can edit your guide by tapping on a guide, and you'll see more options on it. You'll be able to delete, edit, share, or copy the link to your guide. I think, in my opinion, the third option to create post guide is one of the best features which Instagram have introduced. Instead of recreating your old post, you can reuse them and create one long post and organize them properly in groups. This is great for your followers, as they do not need to go through your every post. They can just click on one single post guide and find all the related topic in one long post. And that concludes the video on Instagram guides. If you have any questions, please leave it in the comment section down below. As always, if you enjoyed this video, please like this video and share it with your friends and family. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.